Hi dear viewers, welcome once again to my channel. Today I'd like to share some useful idioms actually we can use in our daily life conversation. Actually, we can use this word in advanced form. That means sometimes we can say I am very busy. That means instead of using very busy, we can say actually I have got a lot on my plate. That means I am very busy. Instead of using very busy, we can use I have got a lot on my plate. And the next one you can say she is very energetic. That means she is full of beans. Instead of using very energetic, you can use she is full of beans. And the next one you can say that she is very important. Then instead of using very important, you can say she is the big cheesel. Basically, she is very important. She's the big cheesel. Very important. Actually, instead of using very important, you can use big cheesel. And the next one you can say that she is very intelligent. Actually, instead of using very intelligent, you can use she's a smart cookie. That means you can say he is he is very intelligent. When a person is very intelligent, you can use, instead of using very intelligent, a smart cookie. That means Rafik, or you can say Rafik is very intelligent person. You can use Rafik is a smart cookie. And the next one you can say that it's very easy. When some tasks are very easy, you can use it's a piece of cake. That means it's a piece of cake. A piece of cake means it's a easy. Basically, that is in advanced form. I am so relaxed. Actually, you can say, instead of using so relaxed, I am as cool as a cucumber. That means I am so relaxed. Instead of using so relaxed, you can use basically as cool as a cucumber. That means I am so relaxed. That means you can say that I am as cool as a cucumber. And the next one you can say that actually my boss went mad, or you can say my students went mad. When a person went mad, that means instead of using the term mad, you can use bananas in advanced form, and you can say in idiomatic form. Actually, you can say my boss went mad. Instead of using this term mad, you can use my boss went bananas. Or you can say my students went mad. Instead of using this term mad, you can use my students went bananas. And the next one you can say we are so similar. Instead of using so similar, when two persons who are, you can say, uh, who have similar characteristics, properties and features, then instead of those persons we can use they are two peas in a pod. And in case of the following sentence, that means we can say we are so similar, we can use we are two peas in a pod. You can say they are so similar, they are two peas in a pod. And the next one you can say, next and the last one, I don't eat much. Instead of using I don't eat much, you can say I eat like a bird. I don't eat much. That means instead of using don't eat much, you can say I eat like a bird in the idiomatic form. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned, stay connected with this channel. All the best wishes for you.